Bonjour everyone! Bonjour means hello in the Anishinaabe language. Shannon Indigenous, Winnipeg Nindunji, Nigig Ndodem. I just introduced myself and I said my name is Shannon. I'm from Winnipeg and I'm of the Otter Clan. I'm also an education coordinator at Assiniboine Park and Zoo, and I'm Métis and Anishinaabe. We are here in Winnipeg, Manitoba, which is a traditional gathering place of Anishinaabe, Dakota, Innu, also known as Cree, Métis, and now many other peoples. It's important to remember, as the province of Manitoba turns 150 in May 2020, that the Indigenous peoples who have been here even longer than that have so much beautiful culture and important teachings to share with the rest of us, if we are willing to listen. Today, I'd like to pass on some very basic teachings that I've learned from my elders that help me stay grounded and are part of my self-care. There are so many different types of medicines. Pretty much all plants are medicines in some way, but you may have heard of the 4 sacred medicines in Anishinaabe and many other Indigenous cultures. These are tobacco, cedar, sage, and sweetgrass. In another video about our bison and the teaching of respect they give us, I talk about tobacco and how we can offer a pinch of this medicine to the land if we are about to harvest, hunt, or fish, or even go for a walk and enjoy nature. We also offer a tobacco tie to an elder or another knowledge keeper if you are asking a question, inviting them to speak to your class or at an event, or to do something for you. When we offer tobacco, we give thanks for everything we have, and it's a way to give back to the earth. Sage is a very commonly used medicine in smudging, or purifying yourself with smoke. When I smudge, it helps me think positive thoughts, and it grounds me. It's almost like a reset. I can take time to be reflective and consider all the amazing things in the world, and what I can do to help make this world an even better place. Sweetgrass is another medicine that we smudge with, but I've also heard a beautiful teaching about why we braid the sweet-smelling medicine. Alone, one strand of sweetgrass may be broken easily, like we sometimes think we are when we feel alone. However, when braided, all the strands of sweetgrass can work together to be strong and powerful. In the same way, we may not be able to get together physically right now, but thanks to technology and at a distance, our community can still be so incredibly strong, can help build each other up and care about every single individual. Lastly, we have cedar, which is another medicine that I've seen used in smudges, especially in our ceremonies in the summer. Like the others, it can help ground us and connect us with the bigger picture and connect us to nature. All these plant medicines are so important to many Indigenous communities, and it's important we respect them. One very important note to leave you all with. Please do not go out picking or harvesting medicines from the wild without receiving a lot more teachings about the proper protocols, and only then going out with an elder that can teach you. There has unfortunately been an overpicking of a lot of medicines in the past few years, especially sage. So we have to remember one of the very important lessons that the bison teaches us about respect, to only take what we need and leave lots for others. We also have to consider the Indigenous communities that require these medicines. If you want to learn more about these medicines or you have any questions, offer tobacco, as we learned, and an honorarium to an elder.